The time has come to move back to uni. No, it's actually worse than I remembered. I can never say this. I think I've done a good job in making it less like a prison cell. I'm going to show you. Goodbye. This is like a prison. Oh, Jesus Christ. The time has come to move back to uni. Well, kind of, technically it's not for another week. Basically, me and my mum are driving down to Bournemouth today to move my stuff in for final year. I live with 7 other girls and they basically are planning to drop their stuff, move their stuff in and then not move in properly till like middle of September because our course doesn't start till October, I'm pretty sure. So we're all sort of moving in at different times, but I think officially moving in a week when I film this video. Don't know when it's going to go up yet. So yeah, just plan to dump all my stuff pretty much because when I drive down on my own next week, my car's quite small and I'm not going to want to bring everything. To be fair, it wouldn't all fit. And now I've moved house, I only realised this morning that Bournemouth is actually further away now. It's great. But yeah, I viewed the house, I think it was over a year ago. Was it over a year ago? It feels like so long ago. I went and viewed it. We'd already bought it by this point. I didn't actually ever get to view it before confirming. And it was literally like a 30-second tour of the house. It's okay. I mean, it was full of boys with their boxes all over the floor. Stank of substances I can't speak about online. My mum also hasn't seen it, so I'm interested to get her reaction. And we hadn't chosen rooms by that point, but we have now. Yeah. So I kind of forgotten what my room looks like and I'll show you it all empty, but just a little warning. Uni houses in Bournemouth are not nice, okay? They're just not. I see people on TikTok with like the most insane uni houses and it has never been me, sadly, but it's fine. Car is all packed up. To be fair, I feel like I'm pretty minimalist this year. Well, I think that's quite good. Obviously, you know, got the essential, the keyboard. Road trip snack choice.
For the driver.
Would you like one?
Cucumber and lime, mint and lime aqua libra. That's going to sustain me for the...
We're 45 minutes away. The journey has been going on forever. Did an Amazon order for a lock to arrive at the house, like Bournemouth house today, and we just got a photo of it. But you know they take a photo and they deliver it, and it's inside the front porch. We're like, okay, well how did they get inside? So the front porch must have been left unlocked. That's so bad. Fingers crossed the house is locked. 3.5 hours later, we've made it. It might even be 4 hours, you know. Got the keys. I just wasn't even filming.
Oh, come on. Do it again then.
I just filmed.
It's a nice hallway.
I just filmed opening the door and it wasn't even recording. But anyway.
It's a nice hallway, Laura.
No, is it clean? It looks fairly clean. It does actually. I'm not going to give a full tour yet. I'm going to do a uni house tour maybe at some point. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm sorry. Izzy, this is your room. What the hell is that doing there? Oh, it comes with a TV. Nice.
I like the hallway and the lounge.
Yeah, there's a weird smell. Oh no, I think that came from here. Good to be back.
I really like the hallway, Laura, and the lounge.
Yeah, I said to you the hallway is nice.
Who's this room then?
And the stairs are nice and big. That's Summer's. Take it away. Go. Da-da-da. Brilliant.
That was right. It's okay.
Oh God. Oh my God, it's awful. It's like a prison cell.
It's fine.
No, it's actually worse than I remembered. It's this bit. Why is this is like a prison?
That's not.
No, that is like a prison. Look at this. just sums up uni landlords. Which do you think was nicer, the house last year or this one?
Which do I think is nicer?
The house last year. Or
I think they're very similar. I like the hallway. It's more.
So you've said.
More spacious.
Oh God. Wasting no time. Mission: make my room not look like a prison cell. I did a shop before coming, just of like cupboard essentials, things that aren't going to go off, just keep me going for at least the first month or so. I do get quite a lot of food. But I thought if anyone is watching this and is moving into final year and is going into first year, second year, to be fair, whatever year you're going into, this might just help if you want a little bit of inspo for your cupboard essentials. Although I do kind of go a bit overboard when it comes to food, so you probably don't need all of this. I got some packet rice because these will be your best friend at uni, especially if you're lazy like me. I've got some cereal, my favourite cereal in the world, and a little breakfast bars. Then I've got sugar cubes and soy sauce, both types of oil, vegetable olive oil, a pack of baked beans, chopped tomatoes, mayonnaise, peanut butter, this could be a little bit controversial, honey, brown sugar, very lazy garlic, pepper, more chopped tomatoes, tea bags, eggs, couscous, rice that isn't packet rice in case, in case you're not feeling lazy one day, which can't really see that being used. Got Arab beef, I can never say this, risotto rice because I love cooking risottos and tuna, which again might be a little bit controversial. Protein porridge. Oh wow, just realised there's two things. Spices, protein bars, chili flakes, Marmite. Another controversial one. Tomato puree, ketchup, squash, pasta, rigatoni all day, every day. Stock cubes of every flavour. Kidney beans, if you like a chili, salt, tin foil. Goodbye, Brody. Goodbye. Ah! Hey, where are you going? Popping up now. Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, Laura. Have a nice day. Work hard.
Hi guys, it is a week later and we're going back to uni for good. I'm just about to drive back. It's saying 2 hours 15 the journey, and I have stopped off at the gym on the way, so it would have been like over 3 hours. I was actually meant to go back yesterday, but long story short, my car failed its MOT and then it couldn't get repaired or retested at the MOT centre for like another 2 weeks altogether. Maybe another week, maybe that was a bit of an exaggeration. But it meant I wouldn't have been able to go back to Bournemouth. So I've got a Mini now. Yeah, I'm driving another car. Absolute Facebook Marketplace bargain. Summer after high school life, I would be your girl. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. You can play all the broken strings. They say she's in the class 18. The sharpest corner linked, man. It's too cold outside. what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. She a devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. I've arrived. Got lost. Why are you laughing?
She's moving your little camera around.
I'm just starting to sort my room out there, and basically I got this pebble mirror. Oh hey, pebble mirror from Denham, and I've just realised there's no hook on the back, and there's a hook on the wall, so it's all going really well so far. It's meant to go above the sink here. Yes, I have a sink in my room, I know, odd. I like this song.
I know you would, Lara. Right,
I feel like I've kind of transformed the room. Like, if you saw it at the start of this video, then I feel like I've done a good job in making it less like a prison cell. I'm going to show you. You come in, this is my bed. I got these curtain fairy lights from Amazon, which I feel like have just made a massive difference. And then I got a hanging plant from, where's it from? I think it was Denham, and then I just hung it up with a command hook because I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like that looks so much better, doesn't it? And then I got a salt lamp because I had a lamp here, but the bowl was just not nice lighting, so I thought put this salt lamp here. This was from TK Maxx. Alarm clock, eye mask, and then I just got this stool from, I think it was just some random online shop called Online Home Shop or something. It's actually meant to be a desk stool, I think. All the wires are really quite stressing me out. So I've just, to be honest, I don't really know what I've done with this shelf. I've just chucked stuff on and hoped for the best that it would look right. I've got my TV here, diffuser, and just a basket with my towels. Honestly, I need to carry this chair. Like, it's just the desk that is just awful, but we'll pretend it's not there. I still haven't managed to put the mirror up, but I got this off Amazon and I'm actually obsessed. Like, it makes the whole room lighting, wait for it, pink. Like, I just think it makes all the difference. So honestly, just some fairy lights and some cute lighting is what you need, and then the boring bit is the wardrobe. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheeky little room tour. Oh, also I've ordered prints on Etsy to go up on this wall because I feel like it needed something else. I'm really sad because they haven't arrived yet and I wanted to share it in the video. But whenever they arrive, hopefully I'll share in the next vlog. Should I show you what ones I ordered? Yeah, fuck it, I'm going to show you because I actually think they're so cute and I'm really sad that they're not here yet. Here you go. I got this one. I really hope it looks cute up on the wall. And then I also got Aperol Spritz because I am #1 Aperol Spritz fan. Yeah, cute. I know it's cute, but hit me up if you want some interior designing, if you want a prison cell to be transformed. Alright, thanks for watching. I love you all.